Jesus come tell dem,
I tell you that true word. Some people dey here wey no go die until dem don see God kingdom and him power.
after 6 days, Jesus, Peter, James and John come go one high mountain. He come change for their front. Him cloth come dey shine well well and e white pass how any dry cleaner go fit wash am. Then Elijah and Moses come appear for their front, dey talk with Jesus. So Peter tell Jesus,
Teacher, e good make we stay here. Make we build 3 canopy. One for you, one for Moses, and one for Elijah.
dem dey fear and dem no know wetin to talk. Then cloud come cover dem and one voice come talk from the cloud say,
Dis na my only pikin wey I love. Make una lis ten to am.
when dem look round, dem no see anybody except Jesus. As dem dey come down from the mountain, Jesus come tell dem make dem no tell anybody wetin dem see until man pikin go don wake up from death. Then dem come dey talk with each other about wetin dis wake up from death mean. Dem come ask Jesus,
Wetin make the law teachers dey say Elijah go first come?
Jesus answer dem,
True true, Elijah go first come, make e for prepare everything. Na him make dem write for God word say, man pikin must suffer many things and dem must hate am. But I tell una now say, Elijah don come true true and dem don do am wetin dem like, just as God talk for him word.